In this video, I'm going to show you how to show negative numbers in parentheses in Apple numbers. Here I see there are a couple of negative numbers are there. Instead of showing minus, we'll use parentheses to format this data. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to select the column where we want to change these settings. Like we want to show as parentheses inside minus for the negative numbers. So I'm going to select the entire column by clicking D. So that entire column data will be selected. Now we have to come to the format section. Once we are in the format section, we'll find different tabs out there like table, cell, text, arrange. We have to go to the cell section. I'm going to click here to access the cell section. Now here there is data format. We need to click here to choose on of the data format, and we have to come to the end, create custom format. I'm going to click here so that the custom format window will be opened. Now here we need to add a new rule. I'm going to click here, add a rule, and then it is bringing us on drop down. From here we have to choose the filter or rule to apply for these settings. So I'm going to find out the negative numbers, right? So we have to choose this option, if less than, and then after that we have to define the value like 0.00 for example, and then we have to change the format. So we are going to replace the minus to parentheses. So I'm going to click here and I need to type the parentheses at the beginning and end. So I'm going to type the start parenthesis and end parenthesis like this. And finally we have to press OK button. And once we press OK button, we'll see then the column doesn't have any minus and everything is replaced with parentheses. And that's it. In this way we can easily show the negative numbers in parentheses in Apple numbers.